Work-life balance. That's what it looks like. So, look at that. Tuesday morning, my workshop's open, I'm earning money, and I'm sat here. So, people used to think garages or mechanics walk around 7 days a week in overalls, fitting gearbox at the weekend for their mates. You know, all them days are gone, aren't they, really? You know, so we tried a few different ways for run the business while we were away. Tried closing for a couple of weeks, but then it puts a lot of pressure on getting everything done and out. You know, this week we're going to be handing a couple of cars back, finishing up a couple of what we left, also booking work in, take deposits for when I get back, etc. So when I get back, there's no waiting around, no trying to book people in. They'll always be there, deposits paid, cars turning up. So yeah, it's definitely working the way I want to work. So right, so Barney and Christian doing some bits. He's going to be sending me some footage, and this is what they're up to.
So everybody, today is Tuesday. Bob's on holiday, so it's just me and Christian in the workshop for today. And yeah, it's my first time recording, so let me know how it is. And if there's anything I can improve, please let me know. But yeah, this is what we've got in today. This Jaguar coming with an ABS fault. Christian's had the scanner on it, taken it out on road test, and it seems to be all good. We've got the BMW 36, came in with an airbag fault. The customer previously stated that he'd taken the seat out. So what we've done is we've taken it out, cleaned up all the connections, put it back in, it's come up with a fault code, we've cleared it, and it's good as gold for now. So we should see how it goes. Before the customer collects it up, we'll run a scan again, and hopefully it's all good to go. Over here we've got a Citroen C3, came in with an aircon fault. The aircon wasn't working every time customer had switched it on. Christian's had a look over it, and it turns out it's actually the condenser unit itself, which is at fault and not the wiring. We've got a couple of jobs left over from last week in. This is the Audi TT with a K-line, and it literally just needs putting back together, all the wiring finished up, and then that one's good to go. We've also got Fiat Panda, which came in a couple of weeks ago, which a new body control unit was ordered. So this Panda had a light fault. Every time you press the hazard lights, the brake lights would flash, and the daytime running lights weren't working. So we traced it all the way back. It turns out it was a faulty body control unit. So we've ordered one from the main dealer, and that's just to be fitted now, and it'll be good to go back to the customer. It's Wednesday morning, still me and Christian in the workshop, so I'm going to run you through what we've got in today. Right, so today we've got the Jaguar back in the workshop. This came in a couple weeks ago for a rad fan fault. It turns out it was just a faulty fan. So that's come back in to have a new fan fitted, and that's going back out to the customer today. We've also got a Ford Ranger. This has come in with a window fault. The window was staying down. This one's still being worked on at the moment. So over there in the corner we have the Ford Focus, which is still running, so I won't show you. It came in for a smart charge fault. We're running it back up, and Christian's just testing the power outages, and yeah, that one should be good to go after a road test in about 25 minutes. Today we're also working on the Audi TT that came in for an ABS fault. Bob had also diagnosed a K-line fault up in the front, so that's been all done and dusted, and now we're working on this ABS sensor. I've got that out, and the part has literally just arrived, so I'm going to fit that, test it out, see if it's got any faults, and hopefully get it back out to the customer, as it has been here for a while. It's one issue after the next with that car. Right, so that's everything we've had this week. We've still got the mocker, which is going to be worked on next week. A clear workshop, other than the C-Max. The Audi TT's finished. So next week's another week, more cars.
Well, there you go. That's what I've been up to. So I did bought a garage last year, I think it was. Speaking to the governor, just about to pay him a load of money. And we was talking about work-life balance and stuff. He said, you don't want another garage. Just go and live your life, you know. Stop trying to build some sort of empire. If you can do it now, do it now. I think he had 2 sister-in-laws. They said that they wanted to walk the Great Wall of China. Probably said this before, but, you know, when they retire, they're going to walk the Great Wall of China. And he's like, why are you waiting? Either one of you ain't going to make it, one of you ain't going to be fit enough. You know, if you can do it now, do it now. I'm not saying, you know, don't spend all your money now and don't invest, etc. But if you've got a way to do it now, go and do it. If you're rich life, you build a cruise ship, go out Norway fjords, do it. Get on with it, you know. If it is just stay at home in the front room watching telly with your kids, do that, you know. But whatever you want to do, do it. You know, life first, not work. So, yeah. Thanks very much. We'll see you next week when I'm back doing 3 garage tours we've got to do next week. So you'll see one of them next week now. So see you then.